Oh, I almost finished my 1 hour live. $23 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Asmisa is from Kenya. Kenya place. Yeah. 7 people. Thank you, 7 people. John D belongs to Asminsa. Ano daw? Ay, Asminsa. Asminsa and John. I don't know speak very well English, okay? So you adjust my English, okay? But thank you guys. Thank you for staying. But now I need to sleep. But my life is still alive. I just sleep. Yes, I realize, my friend. But it's okay, no problem. Talking with action, it's okay. 7 people. You go sleep na. Yes, Jan, I sleep now. Sleeping Beauty. The Kenyan Forgotten Highway since 1964. Okay, my friend, playing here, okay? Playing. Raise those beautiful eyes. Hey, OJ. Skype, please. Ay, ano siya? Ibang lahi siya. OJ Ju? Hi, hello. Thank you so much for coming. Yes, I like Skyplex. Skyplex is nice with the coffee. Yeah, I have here. Oh my gosh. I have here my my snack. Skyflix. Did you see? Skyflix. Yes. So I buy. Yummy. With the coffee. Good one. Ah, you like Ojidu. I will give you moderator, okay? Oh my gosh. My viewers is foreigner. So I need to speak dollar. So I need to speak dollar. My gosh. Asminsa, playing your video. I recognize. May taking Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola with Skyflakes. Yeah, nice also. Okay, guys, I need to sleep now. Thank you so much. Ojiju, Asminsa, and John, my friend, thank you so much, guys. But I will extend my live. I just put